Have you ever thought about starting your own blog and making money from it? Well, you're not alone. Many are turning their thoughts, ideas, and passions into profitable ventures through blogging. In this video, we'll explore how you can choose a niche that resonates with you, set up your own blog from scratch, create engaging content that attracts readers, and ultimately monetize your blog for revenue. So, are you ready to dive into the world of blogging and start earning money? Stay tuned. The first step in creating a blog is choosing a niche. But what exactly is a niche? Well, in the blogging world, a niche is the specific topic or area of interest that your blog focuses on. It's like your blog's specialty, and having a clear niche is incredibly important for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps you attract a dedicated audience. People who are interested in your niche will keep coming back to your blog because they know you're providing the kind of content they love. Secondly, a niche helps you stand out from the crowd. In the vast digital universe, having a unique focus can make your blog a go-to resource in your field. So, what are some examples of popular niches? Well, they could range from anything like travel, food, fitness, fashion, finance, and personal development, to even more specific sub-niches like vegan cooking, minimalist living, or digital nomad lifestyle. Now, when it comes to choosing a niche that is both profitable and aligns with your interests, there are a few things to consider. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What am I knowledgeable in? Then, do some research. Are there other successful blogs in this niche? Is there a demand for this kind of content? Remember, the key to a successful blog is not only choosing a niche that you love, but also one that has the potential to attract a large following and generate income. Once you've found your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Setting up a blog isn't as complicated as it might seem. Let's discuss the steps to get your blog off the ground. First things first, choosing a blogging platform. A blogging platform is essentially a service or application that facilitates the creation of web pages for publishing your content. There's a wide array of platforms out there, but some of the most popular ones are WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Prioritize user-friendly interfaces, customization options, and community support when selecting your platform. WordPress is a favorite among many due to its flexibility and extensive features. Next, you'll need to buy a domain name. This is your blog's address on the internet, and it's how people will find you. Think of it as the sign that hangs above a brick-and-mortar store. Your domain name should be unique, memorable, and representative of your content. There are numerous domain registrars out there, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, where you can buy your domain. It's typically a yearly fee, but it's a crucial investment for your blog's identity. Once you've got your domain, it's time to set up web hosting. Your web host is where your blog lives online. It's the online equivalent of the physical space that a shop occupies. There are many web hosting services to choose from, like Bluehost, HostGator, or SiteGround. When selecting a web host, consider factors like uptime, customer support, and of course, price. Remember, you want a service that's reliable and won't break the bank. One last thing, don't rush these steps. Take your time to do your research and choose what fits your needs and budget best. Remember, your blog is your online home, and you want it to be a space that reflects your voice and content. And there you have it. You've chosen a platform, secured a domain, and set up hosting. The skeleton of your blog is now in place. With your blog set up, it's time to start creating content. Scene script. Content is king in the world of blogging. Hold that thought, would you? It's a simple phrase, but it carries a profound truth. It's not just about having something to say, but saying it in a way that resonates with your audience. Your blog is your stage, your words are your performance. So let's dive into the art of creating high-quality content. First things first, how do you come up with blog post ideas? It's all about understanding your audience, their interests, their problems, their questions. Be observant, be curious, be empathetic. Look around you, inspiration could be lurking in the most unexpected corners. Listen to conversations, read widely, keep your eyes open to the world. Then take all these fragments of life and weave them into your blog. Remember, the best ideas often come from the most ordinary experiences. Now, on to the next act, writing engaging content. It's not just about putting words on a page, it's about telling a story, about sparking a connection. Start with a compelling headline, something that piques curiosity. Then, weave a narrative that holds your reader's attention. Use a conversational tone, as if you're having a chat with a friend over a cup of coffee. And don't forget to add your own unique voice, your insights, your personality. This is what makes your content truly yours. But wait a minute, what about SEO? Yes, SEO is like the invisible strings that can pull your blog into the spotlight. It's about understanding what your audience is searching for and then incorporating those keywords into your content. But remember, while SEO can increase your blog's visibility, it should never compromise the quality of your content. After all, people come for the keywords, but they stay for the content. So, there you have it, the essence of content creation. It's a delicate dance between creativity and strategy, between art and science. But remember, at the center of it all is your audience, because ultimately, you're not just writing for yourself, you're writing for them. Now that you've got your content, it's time to start attracting readers and making money. Scene script. Monetizing your blog is the final step in turning your blog into a money-making machine. Let's dive right into the various ways you can monetize your blog. The first one is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies on your blog. When a reader clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as easy as pie. However, remember to promote products that are relevant to your blog's niche. This way, you're providing value to your readers and earning at the same time. Another way to monetize your blog is by selling your products or services. If you're a fashion blogger, for instance, you could sell your clothing line. If you're a business blogger, you could offer consulting services. The key here is to ensure that your products or services are of high quality and valuable to your readers. Then there's advertising. You can earn money by placing ads on your blog. There are different types of advertising, such as display ads, sponsored posts, and direct ads. Display ads are typically managed through an ad network, while sponsored posts and direct ads are agreements made directly with advertisers. The income you can generate from advertising largely depends on your blog's traffic. The more traffic you have, the more money you can make. Choosing the best monetization method for your blog entirely depends on your blog's niche, your audience, and your personal preferences. If you have a large audience, advertising could be a great option. If you have a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations, affiliate marketing could work wonders. If you have unique products or services that you believe in, selling them on your blog could be the best way to monetize. Remember, monetizing your blog is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategy and mindset, it can turn your passion into a profitable business. With these tips, you're well on your way to making money from your blog. Starting a blog and making money from it isn't as daunting as it may seem. It's a journey filled with creativity, learning, and growth. But remember, every journey begins with a single step, and we've walked you through each of those steps today. First, we explored the world of niches, a crucial decision that sets the tone of your blog. Whether you're passionate about tech, fashion, travel, or even cooking, there's a niche for everyone. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets demand. Next, we delved into the technical side of things, setting up your blog. From choosing a catchy domain name to selecting a reliable hosting service and a user-friendly blogging platform, we've covered it all. It's about creating a space that reflects your style and attracts your audience. Then, we ventured into the heart of blogging, creating content. Remember, content is king, and consistency is key. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Engage your readers with compelling stories, informative articles, and captivating visuals. And of course, we can't forget about monetizing your blog. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts, and even your products or services, there are numerous ways to turn your blog into a money-making machine. But remember, monetizing your blog is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. The potential of blogging as a profitable venture is immense. But it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of passion. Your blog is an extension of who you are, a platform to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. It's a journey that's uniquely yours. So, what are you waiting for? Start your blogging journey today and watch as your passion turns into profit. Good luck.